Welcome to this exciting channel where we go through the adventures of IT technology and take a step closer to the next level. Today, we'll understand how to download and install Putty on your computer. It's really simple. All you have to do is open a web browser, go to google.com, type in Putty in the search box and hit enter. The first link that you see, www.putty.org, that's the one we are looking for. I'll click on the link. On the next page, you'll see SSH client and SSH server. That's something which we'll look into in our future videos. Today, we'll concentrate on how to download and install Putty. You see this line over here, it says you can download Putty here. Click on here. On the next page, you'll see the alternate binary files and the package files. We are going to concentrate on the package files today. Now, I know I'm using a Windows 10 64-bit operating system, so this is the link that I'm interested in. If you don't know how to check what operating system you're using, I've created a separate video. Pause this video, first check that video so that you know which file you need to download. It's a small 3 MB file which has been downloaded. I'll click on the link to open the setup wizard. Now, since I'm using Windows 10 operating system, it will ask me whether I want to download it from the Microsoft Store or do I want to continue it anyway. Since I know that I'm downloading it from a known good reputed site, I'll go ahead and click on install anyway. That's the first screen of your installation wizard. I'll click on next. On the second page, I'll leave the default path and I'll click next. Usually, I like to have a shortcut on my desktop. So, this option you see, add shortcut to Putty on the desktop. On the left of it, you'll see a down pointing arrow. Click on it. That's like a drop down box. And the second option over here, which says entire feature, will be installed on the local hard drive. I'll select that and I'll click install. Now, since it's a small file, it will get installed instantly. It will just ask me for the permission. I'll click on yes, and that's it. There you have it, guys. Putty is installed properly on your computer. Now, before I click on finish, I'll uncheck this box which says view readme file because I don't want to read any files right now, and I'll click on finish. That's it. Now, to confirm whether Putty has been installed properly on your computer, I'll click on start, type in Putty and hit enter. And there you have it. That's going to be the first screen that you'll always see whenever you open Putty on your computer. I know there are a lot of things going on over here, but for the moment, there are only two things that you need to look into. That is session and login. Don't worry, I'll be creating separate video on how to use Putty. So, you're all good to go. That's it, guys. Stay tuned for our upcoming video where we'll talk about how to use Putty. Till then, have fun and see you on the next level.